Hello everyone. So the time has finally come to start with the painting. I just got my primer. This is the first package, and this is a two-component primer, and this one goes with it. So I have to mix it. One small bucket with a big bucket, see how far I will reach. Yeah, so it seems I'm getting a little bit further. Finally, after all this long waiting and grinding and hard work, it's finally getting there. As you can see in the background, my neighbor is already done, is already finished. So I hope by beginning next week I will be at the same stage. It takes just some drying time, and I need in total 4 coats. So today will be 1 coat, tomorrow maybe the 2nd coat, and then immediately 1 coat of anti-fouling, and then after that another anti-fouling. So beginning next week I will be hopefully splashing. It's an exciting moment. I'm going to try how this works. That stuff is quite expensive, and yeah, shall see. I hope I will not mess up anything. Hello guys.
Hello guys, servus, Gerhard from Austria.
Yes, this is from sailing vessel Inspiration, and we are very crazy today painting. You can see our progress, and this side is already done. Almost, just some small spots. Yes, this is today we are working 2 people because it needs to prime and paint right after each other. Yeah, so I'm getting very close to splashing, even though I will not manage this weekend. But during next week, it shall be possible. So it's just 1 more coating, and then back in the water, finally. So today is the day when my friends from Austria, the sailing vessel Inspiration, is leaving, and yes, and I'm going to help a little bit with the lines, even though that's not necessary, but saying them goodbye.
Bye.
And a safe journey.
Good night.
Ja.
Gute Reise!
Tschüss. So again, another week has passed, and it was again a quite hectic week, but lots of progress, and I'm very happy with that. I just finished painting the boat. It's now completely primed, and anti-fouling is on in 2 layers. That part is ready. The long waiting is coming to an end. It's funny, even though I just finished painting and now we got some rain, which is not so well, of course, but the paint is already dry, so it's not a problem. That was it for this week's episode. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you in the next week. All the best, and see you then. Bye bye.